I'm gonna make a pocket with okay, ladies and gentlemen, what I have here is some Philadelphia cream cheese. But if all right, so when she almost looks like she won't close, that's when you've done it right. Or find it in stores around my area. But we are going to put this right on the loin itself here, just like that. If you haven't tried this stuff, you really need to. And it's just going on the top side, a little bit on the back side, a little bit on the front side. And with this being on the cooling rack, we just put her right on the main rack there. And we're gonna close her up and give her 30 minutes. Look at that, that is beautiful. Got some nice bark. She's medium rare. Look at the juice that's in there. We'll cut